Hey guys, it's Dylan from the Music Factory in Seattle. I got another lesson for you today. Go check us out at musicfactorynw.com. We got all styles for all ages, all levels, and right now we're all online. So anywhere you are, anywhere you want to be, come get some lessons from us. Thanks. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I want to talk to you about the modes of the major scale on the bass. Okay, so we got 7 modes. These all come from the major scale. They just come from looking at the major scale in a different perspective, right? But what I want to show you today is just the breakdown of each of them. So your first thing you got to know is the major scale, or the Ionian mode, right? We're going to look at it from the key of A, right? 5th fret of the E string's A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? That's that major scale sound. You've heard it a million times your whole life. Okay? The next one I want to talk about is the minor scale, or the Aeolian mode. Now that we've got a flat third, a flat 6, and a flat 7. So flat third, flat 6, flat 7, 1. Okay? The modes we got 3 major modes and 4 minor modes. And that just means there's 3 modes that have a major third and 4 modes that have a minor third. Okay? So major modes, we got Ionian, like we talked about. We got Lydian, that's major, but it's got a sharp 4. 1, 2, 3, sharp 4. Right? And then we have Mixolydian, that's major, but it's got a flat 7. Flat 7. Then our minor modes, we've got Aeolian, or minor, like we already talked about. And we've got Dorian, that's minor with a raised 6, or a major 6. We've got Phrygian, that's minor with a flat 2. Okay, and then we have Locrian, that's minor with a flat 2 and a flat 5. Okay, so that's each of the modes dissected. Look for part 2, and I'll show you how they all connect to each other. All right, thanks.